Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear side marker light on an Oldsmobile Aurora. This should be the same process for all Oldsmobile Auroras ranging from 1995 to 1999. I never knew this thing had rear side marker lights until I accidentally stumbled upon it while I was underneath the vehicle. My Lincoln MKZ has it as well here, which is an LED bulb, if you can see right here. I don't know if that's replaceable, but on this Oldsmobile Aurora, it's definitely replaceable. Hit that subscribe button and show your support to my channel. It really helps me out. Anyways, for this project, you're going to need a pair of 168 type bulb, which is about $5 at Walmart. At least the halogen ones are. I have some LEDs that I'm going to be installing instead. Step 1. Get underneath your vehicle and locate the bulb. So here it is. So to get it out of the housing, just gently twist counterclockwise until it unlocks itself. Then you can just pull it out of the housing like so. Here's the 168 type bulb. It doesn't look like it's ever been changed. It just looks black and burnt out. To remove this, just gently pull it out, like this. So here's the bulb. It's definitely seen better days. And here's the LED I got to replace it with. You can find these on Amazon for a very cheap price. And if you're installing halogen lights again, make sure to wear some gloves when installing the bulb to avoid any body oils from getting onto the bulb. The bulbs snap in easily. If the bulbs don't work, pull it out and install it the other way. There's no way to tell the polarity here, so you just have to experiment with it. There we have it. The light is all working now. Now just put everything back into the housing. To do that, you just simply insert and twist clockwise until the socket locks into place. Let's take a look at how it looks like from the outside. Yeah, looks great. Now I will fast forward as I do the other side. The Aurora looks really good now with all the lights working properly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out my channel for more content. See you all next time.